Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 14 and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, hold power button and volume up at the same time and then swipe down to turn off your phone. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and volume down instead. And you'll let go of the power button when OPPO logo shows up on the screen. Now when you see the language selection page, you can also let go of the volume down. There we go. So from here, choose the language that you want to use, which for me that's going to be English. And here's our recovery mode. So that's how you access it. Now in here we only have technically one actual option, which is format data, just a factory reset of the device, while the two other ones are two different ways of leaving recovery mode. So I'm gonna click on reboot device, okay, and this will now bring me back to Android. I should have probably also mentioned, factory reset is protected by a 4-digit PIN that it randomly generates every time you click on that option, which you just need to type in on the keypad, which will show up for factory reset purposes. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.